2 वर्सां फाटीं कदंब महामंडळा खाला खाजगी बशी मेळोवपाची येवजण प्रस्तावित केल्ली. अर्थ खात्यान ती त्या वेळार न्हयकारली. मात आमकां बशींची उणीव आसा आनी आमचे कडेनूय सद्याक नव्यो बशी घेवपाक तशे पयशे ना. आमकां आनीक 250 बशी मेळप बंधनकारक आसा, मात त्यो इतल्या उणावाक पुराय जावपाच्यो ना. खाजगी बशी भाड्यान घेवन चालीक लावपाची आमची येवजण आसा म्हण येरादारी मंत्री मॉविन उलयला. RDXGOA खातीर जुवारीनगरच्यान प्रसाद नायक.
Coming up to the next cabinet, which has moved from my department itself. In fact, I had put this proposal 2.5 years back. At that time, the finance department had turned it down. Now there is acute need for buses because private sector is not coming on the road. Neither we have enough money to get that many buses. In spite of my best efforts with the Union Transport Ministry led by Nitin Gadkari ji to get more buses, which we are getting also around 250 buses we will get as per the new scheme which I am going to pursue in the next 10 days as he has called us to Delhi. We are bound to get those buses, but that itself is not enough. There is a big shortfall because private people during the pandemic were off the road, refused to come on the road because they say they have no money. It involves repairing their buses, it involves conditioning them, putting new tires and other things. So we are working something, but we definitely have a scheme where we propose to take buses from them on hire under the Kadamba Transport Corporation and making things work in a manner that there is a bus available in every village, which was discontinued after the pandemic because private people went off the road. So we are trying to cover the gap, and it is in that direction. I am grateful to the Honorable Chief Minister who has announced the particular scheme, and we will see that it is passed in the next cabinet and get going on that.